Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Whisperer channel. Today we are going to see about the Unimech Aerospace IPO analysis. We are going to detailedly analyze about what's their financial performance, what's their valuation, and what's from the insights what we are gaining. We need to buy or sell, what we need to do. So these kind of things we are going to discuss. Before jumping on, I just want to show that I found one stock analyzer. It will be very useful. So this is a free A stock analyzer, and this analyzer we can able to easily analyze about the what's the sentimental analysis, how the market is driving to the sentiment, and next is the technical analysis, like we need to purchase at this price or not, and the financial analysis, how this financial information is useful. So those kind of details, instead of we are analyzing, AI will analyze and provide this information. So each will be derived with the scores, and these scores we can able to easily identify these things, and we can able to detailedly it's explained about why this score is provided as well. It's provided by the AI. So it's very useful tool. So you can able to use it. It's also providing global calls and as well as country calls as well. So based upon the country, it is providing the calls, and global as well it's providing, and detailed information it's providing. So I'll just from upcoming videos I will post how to use this clearly. Okay, come back to our topic. Um, So this Unimech Aerospace, based upon the first initially, we can able to analyze the company overview. The Unimech Aerospace and Manufacturing Limited is high precision engineering solution company. Actually, they are providing to the aerospace, defense, energy, and semiconductor industries. So basically, a lot of companies providing to the aerospace and defense and energy sectors and semiconductor industries as well. Actually, semiconductor is a booming industry. The IPO, their IPO aims to raise the 500 crores with the price band of minimum 745 rupees to the maximum 785 rupees per share they are aiming. So come to the financial performance, how they have performed in the last 3 years. So revenue, it's keep on increasing 3794 to 213, and profit after tax as well 322 and 58 crores. So it's a revenue and profit after tax as well. It's good, it seems. Valuation metrics, based upon the upper end of the price band 785 rupees. If you are calculating the PB, the price to earning ratio, it is come around 68x. So it is very huge. Actually, 18x is from my perspective, it is good. Actually, this is a look like a premium one. It's a premium company. We need to premium valuation, overvalued company with premium. The price to book value as well 6.2. Okay. So price to book is looks good, but price to earnings is very much higher. The debt to equity ratio as well, it's 0.27. It's fine. And return of equity 48.6 percentage. And return of company employed 57.6 percentage. Both are very good one. Aerospace and defense. So based upon this industry average, when we calculate the P by E ratio is 26 only, but this one is 68. It's higher than the industry average or the other companies. So it means you can able to purchase other better companies who are all providing under the nearby the 18x, the P by E ratio. That's what I'm thinking. The PB price the book value is 6.2. It's look like same for the current this company as well. That means the aerospace company and as well as the aerospace industry both having the price to book value is 6.2. It's equal. So this is good in the price to book value. Okay, let's see the key advantages and disadvantages. We need to purchase this or not. Here only we will get the conclusion. Advantages: high entry barriers, specialized in complex tooling for critical industries. Yes, that's correct, because semiconductor and those kind of industries, they are providing complex tooling means it's a good one. The diverse product offering, because they are providing multiple industries, not only they are serving to the single industry, they are serving to the 4 to 5 industries. So that's diversify the product offerings. So that's good. And we are seeing the revenue and the profit after tax as well. Both are good, looks good. Disadvantages. What I'm seeing as a disadvantage are two things. First one is client concentration. Revenue dependency on limited clients. This means they have a limited clients. They do not have the more number of clients. It means one client is dropped off, their revenue definitely will be back again. So that means it will down again. So it will be revenue down again, profit as well down again. It's a high risk. Geopolitical risk, exposure to trade restriction and tensions. Yes, because usually this geopolitical risk, all companies would be there who are all trying to trade worldwide. So this we need to make sure as well. So investment summary. So overall, when I analyze this, what I am thinking is Unimech Aerospace offers compelling growth story, robust financial information, and high margins. Okay, so these are looks good. But what's the problem is they are having the limited client concentration and high valuation as well there. So from my perspective, I do not buy for the short term and long term because there's a premium call. 68 earnings means if you are investing, you will get if 18x. Why we are telling like that instead of 68x? Why we need to keep it in 18x means if you are investing 1 rupee in today, it will get 18 times better on the future. You will get that's what that means 18 rupees if you are investing, sorry, 18 rupees you are investing, you will get the 1 rupee. But here 68 rupees you are investing means 1 rupee you are return getting back means it's a huge risk for that. So it's a kind of, and as well as when I'm seeing the return of equity and return of company employed, it is marvelous. So this stock is high risk and high reward stock. So basically, if you are very aggressive, very aggressive stock trader or a stock investor, you can definitely go. But for the you want the peacefulness, I'm just ignoring this because this I do not buy for the. If I would not buy for the short term or long term. I think this is for the whole analysis about myself. You can, if you have any comments, you can post it in the comment section. I will try to answer this. And if you like this video, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.